Hi everybody. I wanted to make a little video. I have a '06 Toyota 4Runner and my instrument panel here for the AC and the clock. Some of the lights are burnt out, so I'm going to replace 6 of them. So the video I saw said that it needed, the center one actually needed 2, but on mine it only needs 1 light bulb. So the light bulbs are right here. There's one there, and the one on the other side, and then there's one right there, right here, and then the other 2. There's one here and one over there. They got smaller ones down here, and one's for the what is it? The fog thing in the back to do the fog, and then the inside air to do the inside air. But I didn't know those, and then I had a couple over there for those lights. Man, this is real bad trying to do this. Anyways, so I'm going to replace it. It was real easy to take out, and so I'm going to show you guys how to reinstall it. But you know, taking it out is going to be exactly the same way. Mine was hard to take out. You got these 4 connectors here, and it was hard to do because it's probably never been done, and mine's a '06. So yeah, quite a few years since it's been done, 18. So yeah, let me get to it. I'm going to change the light bulbs. All right. So back in my car, we got this. I got it all done. Now I'll show you the lights right there, the little gray ones. Anyways, I had the video that I saw on YouTube said that there was 2 in the middle, 2 lights, and there's not. And he said it was from a 2003 to 2009, but mine are actually different. So if you're going to change the lights and do the knobs too, then what I would do is I would pull it out, or if you have your manual, check the manual and see what they are. Or when you go I went to the Toyota dealership by my house, and so yeah, I got it from them. It's very easy. There's the plug, and it just snaps right onto the back, and then you just push it in. So let me see if I could do this. Yeah, let me try and put this down, see if I can. Let me see if I can do this. No, it doesn't look like it's gonna let me do it. Maybe. So anyways, let me plug it in. No, you can't even see it. So I'm sorry guys, but it's pretty easy. And really, I'm gonna say if I can do it, almost anyone can do it, because I'm not a big fix-it guy, especially with this. I was going to take it to my what is it? Oh, to my mechanic, and he was telling me it was going to be hundreds of dollars, and the light bulbs only cost me $55. So yeah, don't let anybody. I mean, if you can do it, this is real easy. It only has 1 screw at the bottom, and the ashtray or whatever that thing is, I just put my pins in it. So yeah, and then it just clips right back on. Let me see if I can do it while I'm yeah, probably not really good to do it like I did it, but yep, and it just snaps right back on. Down here is the little screw right here. So I'm just going to screw that in, and we'll be good to go. So, well, I know this video was kind of messed up, but Actually, while I'm here, and we're all here together, let me turn it on. See how the lights are. Hold on 1 second. All right, everything's working. Got it all done. All the lights are working. That's pretty cool. So yeah, we're good to go. So thank you. Until next time, bye.